Welcome in, guys. We're going to go ahead and try a new game. This is called the Area Builder game. You're going to click this link, and it's going to take you to our new game. Right now, we're here on this slide watching the video. After you're done listening to the directions, you're going to go straight to the game. So you will be posting a screenshot of your high score when you're finished, but we're going to go ahead and explore the game first. You can click the link here or the picture. It's going to take you to a website called Area Builder, and it's going to give you two options. You can either explore Area Builder. This is great if you're really not sure how to find the area still. You can use these pieces and it will count for you. So the area, remember, is the space inside. Perimeter is the lines on the outside. So it shows you that. You can also do different screens. So maybe you and a sibling could practice together, or you can do it singly. I like to have my grid paper on so that way it's easy for me to see. You could also have your perimeter on at all times and it will build on. So you could do it that way. I personally like to count it myself and use this up here. That's great if you're not super comfortable with area and perimeter yet. But if you are, you might want to play the game. Remember, you can go and press game here. Start with level 1, and as you get better and better at area and perimeter, you're going to move up through the levels. Your goal is to build a figure that has an area of 30 square tiles. So you start building your shape. Again, I like to have the grid paper on that helps me count. So right now I have 8, 12, 16. I'm going to go ahead and go down. 20, 24, 28, and I'm going to use one of these shapes. 30. Then you press check. Okay. You continue doing this throughout the game, and you have 6 to do to complete the level, and you keep score here. Next one's 24, so I can go ahead and start building. Ooh, I know that 6 times 4 is 24, so I'm just going to do 6 of these green ones. 3, 4, 5. Oh, no, I don't have enough space, but I can do this. And I should still have 24. Great. Then it's going to ask you to find the area. So that's where, again, it's helpful to have your grid paper on so you can count that very easily. You know, there's 1, 2, 3 rows, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 inside. 3 times 6 is 18. And you would continue through the levels just like this, finding the area. So it's easy to count your rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, and count how many are in each row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 times 8 is 32. When you're done, it'll go ahead and give you your score, and then you can continue on. Remember, you want to be doing this for about 15 minutes. When your 15 minutes is up and the timer is going to be built inside of the slides and you hear your timer go off, you're going to go ahead and press the Seesaw extension. Now, if you do not have the Seesaw extension, there is another way that you can screenshot your screen. I'll go ahead and list that in the comments for you. But if you have this edition, if you're in my homeroom, you should have this. It's a little circle. It says Post to Seesaw. You're going to press this and press Capture Visible Area. You know, what would even be more ideal is you want to be inside of here, and then you're going to post your high score. So that way we can see. Okay, so you press Capture Visible Area, and then it's going to take you to whatever Seesaw page you have open. So you want to make sure you're in your math class. It's going to prepare your post for you, and then you can share your high score and what you learned. Say, I enjoyed this game. I practiced area and scored 4 out of 5 stars. Go ahead and put that at the top so we can see, and then you press the check. Make sure that you press your math class, and then you're done. I'm going to select my account, and then it posts. Really quick, if you want to see how you can get the extension so it's easy, you would just type in Google Chrome Store press this link right here. And then you would search for Seesaw extension. Really easy. You would just press this, add it to Chrome, and then it's right there so you can screenshot if you want to. If you don't want to, you could also do how to screenshot on a Chromebook. And it'll give you a nice little trick if you do that. It'll tell you the steps if you Google that on your own Chromebook. So that's what you're going to do for that today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this activity.